Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here.
Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. It's my favorite night of the year. Come sing along with me.
Twas the night before Christmas, all cozy and still. The stockings were hung by the fire with skill. The children were dreaming of sugar plum treats, while I packed my sleigh full of gifts and sweets. Ho, 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 away we go through the frosty sky and the moonlight glow, with Dasher, Dancer, Prancer too, and Rudolph's nose to guide us through. The reindeer were ready, the bells jingled bright. We lifted off softly into the night, over rooftops sparkling white with snow. We laughed as the chimneys passed below. Ho, 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 away we go through the frosty sky and the moonlight glow, with Donner, Blitzen, Cupid too, and all my crew. We're flying true. Down one chimney, up another, cookies and milk. Oh, thank you, Mother. Each home so quiet, each heart so dear. I whispered softly, Merry Christmas, my dear. Ho, 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 away we go through the frosty sky and the moonlight glow. The stockings full, the hearts all bright. Merry Christmas to all and to all. Good night.
Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.